welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I'm feeling great today. I hope you're having a great day or great day of your choice, or a great day, or a day of your choice. You know, one of the two, which is a lot of choices. Anyway, easy for me to say today. It is a chilly, snowy, icy day here in the KY, and I'm feeling a little lucky because I've got my Glam Bag X. That's right, my Glam Bag X box is here, and I'm super excited about it. But I please want to remind you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below, and subscribe to my channel and give me some support. I really appreciate all you guys coming here all the time and being my friends and stuff. It's very cool, and I love seeing you in the comments. And I have not opened this yet. It is still sealed for your pleasure. I love that sound. Scissors on cardboard is a delightful sound. And I'm going to have my calculator handy so I can add up the value of this bag. This bag box. It's a bag, but it's in a box. And it is chock full of stuff. And I can't wait to figure it all out. And I've watched some other unboxings because, you know, I just want to see what other people get. And you get a little newspaper, the Glam Bag X newspaper, and it tells you stuff about your items that you have in the box. And it's super cute. It's got a little article with Patrick Ta. And if you did not know, this is an upgrade from the Glam Bag Plus, which is a $25 box. You add $35 more, and you've got the Glam Bag X, which is a quarterly box for $55. And this is the first one that they've had, so it's very exciting to have it here today. And it's just got all this good stuff in here. And we will consult the newspaper. I will put my glasses on to save us all some trouble and embarrassment. And I'm going to start with the first thing that I see in the box, which is from Complex Culture. And this is one of my choices. Let's see. And there's another Complex Culture item in here as well. The newspaper's hard to open. And it doesn't seem to have any information in here about this item, but it is a choice item. I will open it up. And this is a foundation brush. And I totally am in the mood for foundation brushes lately. So this is great, and it's got a triangular shape. And I think this is about a $30 or $35 brush. It's very nice. And I'm very excited about it. And it's going to be great to put foundation on. And then the next thing that I see is right here. And it is from Patrick Ta. And there's definitely some information about this. And this is Patrick Ta Beauty Monochromatic Moment Velvet Blush, MSRP $32. So let's get the calculation started. And this is in She's Adorable, which is true. Guilty as Charged. I feel adorable today. I'm wearing one of the new ColourPop releases from the Black Collection. There's going to be a video on that. I'm sure it's going to come after this. Oh, it's so tight. Oh, come on. She's tight. She's stuck in a box. She's tight. She's a little bit of a fox. Oh, I just chipped my nail. I knew I needed to get them done soon anyway. Oh, here we go. I had to break a nail to get it to go. But here is the Patrick Ta blush, and it's gorgeous. Look at that packaging. Well, you can see all my stuff, all my business here. And that is just stunning. Look at that. That's a beautiful apricot color. And this is $32. Now, clean my swatch off. Next up is from IGK, which is the First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. I can always use another dry shampoo. I'm just surprised that they don't have the... Oh, here they are. This is $27. So this is a great dry shampoo. And it says dealing with second, third, even fourth day hair. Yes, guilty in this time of pandemic. Refreshes your hair in just a few spritzes. Feel free to delay your next wash a little longer. A little longer with the IGK. And there's charcoal powder in here, and that absorbs the oil, and it can it also helps absorb odor. So that's great. Let me see if I can't. All right, next up is from the Creme Shop. Oh, I totally knocked that over. Oh. It is totally knocked over, but it's all fine. It didn't go very far. And this is a Creme Collection Ethereal Glow Ampule Serum with peach essence and argan oil. And this looks really nice. Trying to open it with my scissors so I don't break another nail. And I am not seeing any information about this serum. I do not see anything about the serum. But it is Ethereal Glow Ampule Serum. And what I'll do is the things that I can't find immediately, I'll have the total in the box down below the video. And I just have to smell it since it's got the peach essence. Oh, it's a little cold from being outside. I couldn't really smell the peach. It goes on very smoothly. And it's soaking in my skin really quickly. Still doesn't smell like peach, but it's very nice. So we've got this beautiful serum from the Creme Shop. Then we have from About Face Cosmetics from Halsey. And this is the Painted Matte Lip Color, and this is a $22 value. And it is in the color, oh, there's a pull tab to open it, but it was kind of open anyway. Last Good Night. And Patrick is famous for creating super saturated lips, so he had to include this matte liquid lipstick from About Face, a new brand for everyone. It's created by Halsey. It's ultra pigmented and long lasting, yet totally lightweight. And that is totally a color that is up my alley. That is beautiful. I cannot wait to use that. That is really just gorgeous. All right, so we've got that going for us. Then we have another Complex Culture item. And this one opens easily. And this is got a MSRP of $58. And I have to be honest, I don't use a lot of facial tools like rubbing and serums and stuff, but this seems like something that I might use. And it says a glowing skin and sculpted features, 58. And you just put it on your skin, and this is a sonic power tool. Just glide over your skin to help reduce puffiness, relieve tension, and sculpt your features. So sculpt this cheek. Sculpting my cheek, y'all, giving the cheekbones. So that's really nice. It seems a little easier to take care of than, say, a jade roller or rose quartz roller. Next up, one of the things I was looking the most forward to in this bag is from Pat McGrath Labs. It's the Fetish Eyes Mascara. And this is $30. And I can't wait to use it. I'm going to open it because I'm going to start using it right away. I use the other Dark Star mascara, and I'm a fan of that all day and all night. Look at that. It's a beautiful brush. It smells like mascara. I can't wait to use it. I'm putting it with my other mascaras right. I'll put it in there when I'm done. But that's very exciting. And Pat McGrath in a subscription box. Are you serious? That's fantastic. And then last but not least, from Huda Beauty is the Rose Gold Palette Remastered. And this is a $65 palette. And I'm going to keep this one in its, well, no, I'll take it out of the box, but I do already have this palette. So this will be going to Mercari or a giveaway. Open it. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. But I did a look about a week ago, a nice, beautiful, grungy look with this palette. And it is beautiful, like the packaging. And look at this, instead of plastic liner, it's got a beautiful picture of her face. And this is what it looks like. It is just a gorgeous palette. But the green right here is phenomenal. These shimmers are just knockouts. Oh, that's a taupe. Sorry, there's the green right there. A little tricky. Tricky upside down and backwards. But this is a $65 palette. So we're at $329 without knowing how much that serum was. And so this box was only $55 and I've got over $329 worth of value. So let's go over what we got. We've got the Pat McGrath mascara, super fancy. We've got the Halsey painted lip color from About Face. Super excited to try that because it's a brand new product. It just came out. I've got the IGK dry shampoo. I've got the Complex. I also didn't know the price of this, but this is the Complex Culture foundation brush, which is probably at least $30. Then we have the face sculptor, which is $58. The Patrick Ta blush, which is just this gorgeous peachy apricot color. And we got the palette, and we got the Creme Shop serum. So all this for $55 is more than a bargain. Even if I don't ever find out how much the foundation brush is, and I know I keep talking about it, but it's over $329. And like I said, I'll put the total value down below in the box. This box is a hit. Like the IPSY Ultimate that they had, you know, a while back that was no good. It was no good from the first box. And this is totally blowing me out of the water. And I'm totally excited about getting this again in May. So I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. And we'll see you real soon.